Today, you will be working on learning how to do Get More Math. And Get More Math is a program that we will be using to help you review your skills and apply them as the year goes on. You will be initially starting this on Tuesday, September 15th, and the code will be located in that folder. So if you do not get to this lesson or you are new to our class, make sure you go back to September 15th, and that is where you will get your code. You will open today's folder. It will be Tuesday. In Tuesday, you will see the link that says Get More Math, and it'll say a class code. This particular class has two because I'm showing you a practice page. You're going to click on your code, and the screen itself comes up. Now, this is the first time you're using this program, so that means you have to set up your account. We have given you your class code in the area just above. So that area is where you are going to get the code from. For me, I am going to type that in just as it appears in the top. Now, you need to set up your code or your class registration. You need to enter your first and last name. And then you are going to enter your username. Your username is going to be your S and then lunch number, just like when you log into anything else. That way it keeps it consistent for you. Then you are going to type in the password that you use to log into your email and your Schoology accounts. So that will be your 4x4. And you're going to type it one more time to ensure that you get it correct and you don't make mistakes. So once again, you've typed your code in from up above in the top area here. That's where the code comes from. You're typing your first and last name. You're using your student ID number as your username. And you are using your 4x4, the District 1 provided, that you use for your email as your password. You will then hit submit. You never want to remember email or login information for security reasons. We are now good to go with the logins that we have created. So then I'm now going to use the login that I created to log in. So you should then have your S lunch number, your ID number, and your 4x4 entered. You hit go and it'll take you to your classwork. Once again, we don't want to remember this. So then when you log in, there are going to be tutorials. Those are things that are going to help you explore the site. That's up to you if you want to view them or if you want to skip that. It is then going to come up with your lessons. So ladies and gentlemen, you will be doing these activities and typing in answers. So in this particular activity, it says I'm going to do 0.28 divided by 7. I know that 28 divided by 7 is, let me find my keyboard. I apologize here. I lost my keyboard. Okay, there we go. So we're going to type in my answer. I got to keep in place my decimals, so I know 28 divided by 7 is 4, but I have two places, so I'm going to go with point. It's still not working. You may have to push a couple of times. It seems to be a little bit temperamental. All right, there we go. Now my keyboard's working. My two decimal places, 0.04. And I hit enter. And I got it right, so smiley faces. Now, if I do 14 times 1.5, everyone always wants to know, hey, what happens if I get it wrong? What am I going to get? So let's type it. It should be 21. Let's type in 2. What happens if you get it wrong? It's going to tell you first try incorrect, and it gives you opportunities to continue to do tries and improve your learning. Up at the top, it tells you your points. You have to earn so many points to play games. There are interactive games in here. So as you're working through these programs, you will see things that are assigned to you. You will get to explore this more on your own. You have stuff to go through. So I look forward to seeing you in this activity.